So in this video, you'll learn how to connect a wireless Xbox controller to your Samsung Galaxy A36. So the first step is to open the Settings app, then you want to select Connections, and then you want to tap on Bluetooth. Under Bluetooth, ensure that your Bluetooth settings are enabled. If not, just tap on the toggle to turn them on. Once they've been turned on, it's now time to put your controller in pairing mode. So to do that, you'll just need to press on this button to switch on the controller. And then you'll also need to press on this button after that to put it in pairing mode. So let's do that practically. So just switch on the controller by pressing on this Xbox button, like that. And then when it lights up, you then want to come to the very top until you find this button. So you want to press on this button until you see this indicator light blinking quickly. So just press, it starts blinking quickly. Once it starts blinking like that, it means that it's now successfully put in pairing mode. So all you need to do is simply go back to your Bluetooth settings on your A36, and then you want to wait for it to scan for any nearby devices. If it's not scanning, then you'll need to do it manually. So just tap on scan and wait for your Xbox controller to appear in the list of available devices. And then once it's been detected by your A36, all you need to do is just select it like that to start the pairing process. So wait for it to pair with your controller. Then confirm the pairing connection. And then you can see it says connecting and then connected. So now whenever you try to move one of the joysticks across your screen, you'll notice that something is being highlighted the more you move around. And so that's how you can successfully connect your wireless Xbox controller to your Galaxy A36. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.